Last summer I went to Nagano. It was cool and very beautiful. Last summer I went to Nagano. It was cool and very beautiful. The summer in Kanagawa was so hot, so I mostly stayed inside with the air conditioner. I watched many shows on Netflix and Unext. What did you do last summer?
Last summer I went to the beach. I went swimming at Enoshima and I had lunch there. My friend and I walked out to Enoshima Island and we did a bit of sightseeing on the island. It was fun. Did you go to any concerts, Sherry?
Yes, I did. I saw Taylor Swift at Red Rocks in Colorado. She was great. I also went hiking around Boulder, Colorado and met some friends for a barbecue. What did you do, Catherine?
I went to Malaysia. It was so interesting. The people were very kind, and I love the food there. I want to go again. Robert, how about you?
I went back to Mumbai and met my mother and father. They are both well. They were very happy to see me. I came back to Japan on August 31st and I started university the next day. So I was very tired. I was happy to go home and eat Indian food for a while. What did you do last summer?